So I'm working with Tesco again to help you guys get more veggies into your life. We're gonna make the most beautiful Super Veg Salad. This is a salad that is so exciting. We've got gorgeous roasted butternut squash. We've got broccoli that gets charred up as well, spring onions, amazing croutons. We're gonna make the most gorgeous dressing. This is a salad that's truly exciting. So let's do it. We're starting off here with a butternut squash. When you're gonna cut this in half, get the tip of the knife in this end, put it down and cut through. We just swap this around, grab it again, and see the little line there? We'll join that back up and we'll go down to the base and we'll split it. And there we have it. And we're gonna roast this in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. And in that time, it will soften up and it will become really sweet and delicious and nutty. And it will look a little bit like this. The oven has earned you delicious flavour. It's shrunk a little bit, it's soft now, even the seeds are like little delicious peanuts. Next, we're gonna get more good stuff into the story. So we're gonna use these gorgeous little tender stem broccoli, are pretty delicate. So what you can do is just trim the ends off. If they're a bit on the chunky side, just split it down the middle, happy days. So spring onions, and then those little roots at the end, I just trim those off. The next part of our amazing salad is some croutons. Now you can use any bread you like. So I'm gonna cut this bread in half, about 200 grams, and then I wanna dice it up into sort of inch-sized chunks. Rough and ready, don't stress about anything. And then with the broccoli here and the spring onions, I'm just gonna season that up and just a little kiss of olive oil. What I wanna do now is just massage this up, all the croutons as well, and then we can sprinkle that onto the squash. So what this is going to do in the oven is char up and catch and tenderize the broccoli and the spring onions. This is going to be amazing. So guys, look at that, right? We're going to put that back in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until the broccoli is charred but tender and delicious. So that is a time to clean down, and then I'll show you how to make the most amazing dressing. So instead of the standard dressing, let's use the beautiful avocado. Take the end off, then carefully just put your knife in and run it around like that, very delicately. Once you've done that and the lines have joined up, then you can simply just tweak it like that and out it comes. Now, obviously you need a nice ripe avocado for this. So get your knife and give it a tap and then simply tweak it out, happy days. To get that out, just give the tip of the knife a little tap and off it comes. We're gonna use a liquidizer, and what I wanna do is squeeze that beautiful green creamy flesh out of the avocado, every last bit of it. So just add about 100 mils of water, a couple of tablespoons of nice extra virgin olive oil, and then I love using lemon juice. Just put your hands over like that and squeeze it into your hands, and if there's any pips, you can catch those. It smells amazing. Now, you want a nice pinch of salt. I've got a bit of basil here, just a couple of leaves, gives you a nice little kind of infusion of flavour, but that's optional. And then simply whiz it up. So unbelievably simple. The colour is absolutely tremendous. And that, kissing all those lovely veggies, is gonna be incredible. Now the last bit before I finish off the salad that really embellishes this to make it super, super exciting for texture and flavour is some nuts. They're super nutritious. These ones are salted and smoked. Get a pestle and mortar. All I do with these is basically smash them up and turn it into the most incredible garnish. We are ready and raring to serve up. So look, have a look at this. Gorgeous. Can you see the broccoli? See how it's, look, it's tender, super, super soft here, but then it's charred nicely here, that mega flavour. So let's make this really, really exciting. So first up, a little spinach, super nutritious. The croutons are looking really, really nice. And we've got that amazing squash. Get a spoon and literally like that, can you see? Look at the colour. Steamy, sweet, nutty gorgeousness. Kind of put bombs of the squash. God, it smells amazing. And just let it be nice and rustic, super simple. Get this amazing dressing, just spoon on top. Look at that. Those little spoons of squash catch all the dressing. So we get the seeds in there as well. And then last but not least, those amazing smoky smashed up almonds. So there you go, guys. That is a salad, but not as you know it. Nutritious, exciting, fun. Let's have a taste, come on. Enough yapping. So delicious. The squash is off the chart. I love it. So guys, get down to Tesco's, get the ingredients and enjoy. You're gonna love it.